Okay, now it's time to see what everything's doing. Open doors up a tiny bit. TSLM, that's down, obviously, but it's going up, which is nice. Market still hasn't opened yet. We'll see where it'll end up being. Lift. That one's going up quite a bit. Wow, that's nice. That's awesome. This one's up quite a bit. We'll see what everything does, I guess. Silver's up a lot. I'll probably sell silver. Trade, sell, sell all. Okay, that's complete. That's good. Okay, silver is sold. Okay, market's open. See what it does. I want to back up a tiny bit. Open, put, sell. That one's down a little bit. TSL, put, sell. It's down. Plug 5 cells. Down. Current price. Buy for 0.45. 0.45. Okay, let's see. Plug, lift 5 cells. That one's obviously down. This one still down. Top 3 buys. 0.90 trade sell. 30. 0.90. And then plug 5 buys. Sell 1.98. Sell 5 at 1.98. Done. See what happens with that. So if I buy, this one's down a tiny bit. I'll probably leave that be. Left one buy at 20. That one's down a little bit. Leave that one be. Let me see. The let's see. Check out DEFT. Went up. Not enough. Hopefully it goes up some more. Let's see. Oh, this one's still down a tiny bit. Probably not gonna do anything with that one. At least yet. Talk to shares. Down a little bit. See what this is doing. Up a tiny bit. TSLM. See what that's doing. So that one's today's return's up, but it's down in general. Let's see what we got. Okay, so far it's doing okay. Got some pending orders going. Hopefully they'll get filled. Let's see what Open's doing. That one's going up a little bit. Okay, hopefully that one goes up a tiny bit more. So 5 shares. Okay, this one's up. So I'll probably trade. Okay, so all that. Made a little bit of profit on that, hopefully. Okay, that's sold. Okay, so it went down a tiny bit. Okay, let's see. Mm, Let's see. Talk is up. So if I buy, let's see what this one's doing. This one's doing okay. Maybe I'll sell at 11.80. Sell one. Okay, okay, let's see what QUBT is doing. That one's obviously down. Okay, that one executed. That's good. Let's see, maybe I should trade. Change that one. That'd let's see. Oh, wait, I'm down on that one for some reason. That's strange. Wonder why. 460. Yeah, that's super weird. Weird. Okay, let's see. What should I do next? This one is obviously down. I'm not doing anything in that one. So three top bones. That one's at break even. So if I call one, that one's down a little bit. Lift, call buy. That one's down a tiny bit. Obviously, this one's gonna be down quite a bit. QBT buy. That one's down a little bit. So if I buy, this one's also down a little bit. Let's see what the TSL outputs. That's down a tiny bit. Let's see. It's down. NVTS. Lift. That's up. I'm probably gonna sell this. Sell all. Market. Done. Okay, that's done. Let's see. That one's down a little bit. Open 100 shares. That's obviously down. BMN. That's down a little bit. Leave that be. TSLL. That one's down a little bit. Plug 2 shares. That one's up a tiny bit. Let's see if I can maybe get rid of all of that just for the heck of it. Okay, that's filled. That's done. Let's see. Looks like I'm making a tiny bit of profit. Let's see how much. Not much, but like some profits being made. That's good. In order to sell 5 contracts of plug executed. Awesome. That's good. Okay. Talk 3 column. Open 8 output. Let's see what else should we do here. See what this one's doing. The SoFi leverage. That one's still down a little bit, but in general it's going up, so hopefully that will pan out. SoFi call buy. Already made some money on SoFi. That one's still down in general. Let's see what QBT is doing. That one's still a little bit down. Um, let's see what SPY is doing. SPY is going up. That's good. Probably this whole thing might be kind of dead cat bounce, possibly. So I gotta make sure I'm doing the right thing here. So far, I'm trying to sell out some stuff, so I'm collecting some profits, whatever I can. Because right now the Roth IRA, it's a small portfolio, but it's going up. And the investing brokerage is going up a tiny bit, but I'm just trying to cash out some stuff in case things are gonna go down like crazy. So right now I'm making some money back over here. You can see all of these profits I took today. So hopefully I could lock in some more profits. We'll see what I could possibly get here. Okay, hopefully that fills. It's pretty close. It's just sitting around waiting. Um, oh yeah, I also wanted to check Walmart, see how Walmart's doing. That one sometimes, yeah, that one's still going down. Maybe I'll check the DJT 1625. Okay, this one I think once it gets up to like 17 plus, I'll probably try shorting that one. Right now, I don't want to do anything with it. DEFT, that one's still going. I could, since that one's like this, I could possibly sell a call. Because I've got 320 shares, I could sell 3 calls. Let's see what that'll do. Trade options. Maybe go sell call. Maybe go here, sell call. So I won't collect really almost anything, but still might be better than nothing. Probably not gonna touch that one. Let's see. Opened up some buying power. Maybe I'll try to open up some more. Let's see. This TSL, that's down a little bit. I'll leave that be. Maybe I should try to do something with this one. But this one, like, they don't let me do anything. It's positive, negative, plus, minus percent. It's like, doesn't make any sense. It's like, it's not letting me trade this one. It's like, what in the flipping hell? It's like, why don't you let me trade this one? Why did you discontinue that one? It's like, they took like some money that I had. They're not letting me trade it no more. It's like weird. It's like, what the hell? It's like, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay. Maybe just for the heck of it, just to see where Walmart's going, I'll probably buy a tiny bit of that. Maybe just $1 worth of it just to kind of track it. Buy $1 worth. This is just tiny little baby runner just to see what the hell it's doing. Dip some more. If this dips down to like 95, $94, something like that, dude, I'm gonna buy a whole ton of it. Because that thing's gonna go up like crazy. Like insane. Let's see, GLD, see what gold is doing. Wow, gold went up like crazy. Let's see, week. So, yeah, so might think because gold's going up like crazy, you might think that the stock market might crash a bit more. Let's see, silver. See what silver is doing. Silver went up quite a bit. I actually made some money on silver. I sold everything out that I had today. I think just to kind of keep track of it. 'Cause I sold out of all my gold, out of all my silver. But just to kind of keep track of it, I'm gonna buy $1. and see if it dips quite a bit below $1, I'll probably get some more. It's like kind of a smart way of doing things, I guess. And the same thing with GLD. Sometimes if I even buy like a dollar of some share, uh, then it's kind of easier to track it. You know, if you can see it dip quite a bit, like in all that you have, and to get some more of it, like a dollar cost average like crazy into it, and I actually always made like decent profit on it. I'll just get $1 of this just to kind of track it for now. Okay, done. Okay, now I'll go and see. Okay, looks like things are still doing okay. Got one pending order left. I gotta see what I want to get into potentially. Obviously, this one's down from before. I had it for a while. TSLL two cells. Let's see what that's doing. That's down. Let's see what the TSLL shares are doing. Okay, so I got this now. I think I could sell, because I got 200 plus shares, I could sell two calls on a trade options. Probably go to like November 7th. I'll go to sell call. So when I go to sell call, I could see which one I want to get rid of. So by November 7th, I think by November 7th, once this reaches like I'll just say $22. Once it reaches $22, I'll collect. So come on. Okay, so I got two. I could sell two contracts of this because I got 200 plus shares. Two of them, so I could change the price to get a tiny bit more. One point, maybe 0.30, round it up. Oh, still high, feel likelihood, so I could do higher, 1.40. Low likelihood, something in between let's see, 1.33, medium likelihood. Maybe I'll just do just to get filled 1.32, or maybe just in case 1.31. So by November 7th, I'll get $261.92 if it doesn't reach that price, just because I have 200 plus shares on this. We'll see what it'll do. Done. Okay, so that's executed, so that's a good thing. Now I'm in I'm in that contract. So and everything's doing good, going up so far. I gotta see what else I could get rid of and see what else I could get, to make the brokerage grow like crazy. Gotta claim a whole bunch of stuff. Um, right now, let's see. Maybe since I got some gold and silver, see what they're doing. Let's see. Walmart's down a little bit. Probably get buy like $10 more worth of shares with that. Start some baby dollar cost averaging. Okay, let's see. TSLL, that's the one I did the contracts on, so that should be doing pretty good. Let's see what this thing's doing. This thing's still a tiny bit down. Let's see, look at the profits so far. So just this morning I made quite a bit of profits. All this is in the green. Like this one wasn't much, 33 cents, $40 I made profit, $1.82. I made $35 profit there. I made $85.76 profit there. I made $10 profit there in the plug. On the silver, I made $4.55. In the gold market, I made $7.34. In the Walmart, I made $1.63. In another Walmart, I made $5. So all of this is in the green. So I made not much, but I mean, definitely brought the monthly income like up quite a bit. Um, this live trading is like crazy. Like If I screw up, I screw up. If I don't, I don't. It's kind of like it is what it is. But it's kind of fun a little bit. It's kind of like a live video game that you're playing with digital numbers with flipping like green papers, flipping playing with digital green papers and trying to let them grow. It's like what the hell, you know? It's just flipping digits. But who cares, you know? Um, okay, this one's down a tiny bit. I'm not gonna do anything with that one. Maybe I gotta go check out gold and silver. Gold and flipping silver. So, see, that's still at break even. Now it's down a tiny bit. I can grab another dollar of that. Okay, awesome. Grab the dollar of that. Now go to gold. See where that's at. That one's still up. Maybe dollar cost average up a tiny bit. Or went down a tiny bit. I'm gonna maybe get like $3 worth. Three is like a lucky number. That way you'll for sure be in the profit if you do that. Okay, let's see. Walmart's still tanking. Not much, but probably just for the heck of it, buy like seven. Throw like a lucky number seven at it, just in case, just for the heck of it. Done. You know. Then once it dips quite a bit, then I'll go buy tons of calls on that one. Like, dude, you can make so much on the Walmart. It's a boring stock, but you can make a whole lot of money on it. Um, let's see what else. Let's see what this is doing. SoFi is going up, but that one still didn't go up enough to break even, so I'm gonna just let that be. Talk. Yeah, that one's down a tiny bit. I'm just gonna let that be. Silver, maybe get some more silver. Up like very little. Throw a number one at it for now, just to kind of help control it, help monitor it. Let's see, TSLL. TSLL is doing its own thing. It's bouncing around. That's good. Gold. Gold is like barely moving. I'll probably get buy $10 of this. Well, 10 is not that good of a number, not that lucky, so I gotta change it to maybe 13. That's like Friday the 13th. That's not that great. Probably do 7. 7 is a good lucky number. Ely. And then see what this thing's doing. BMNR. That's down for some reason. DEFT. That one seems like it's going up, but not high enough to make some of my money back. Up for the day, not just up in general. Grab. That one's down a tiny bit. Let's see what Lumen's doing. This one's down a tiny bit. Okay, right now I gotta figure out what trade to make. Um, Not sure what yet, because everything's like I sold out of a whole bunch of positions in at a profit because earlier today I had like 6,000 something dollars, buying power, and now I brought it up to 13,000. So just in case if the market dips, at least I'll have a tiny bit more to purchase some more, very good companies, very good shares. So and I'm just trying to clean up the portfolio, see what to buy, see what to sell, and just in case, because this market right now could be like a dead cat bounce, so might bounce a tiny bit right now, then it could go back down like crazy. Like who knows? I could just be guessing, but like that could most likely happen. But yeah, I just gotta be safe. These trades regardless. Okay. Maybe just in case. Let me see. I'm gonna check the DJT. That one's going up a little bit more. Let's see what SPY's doing. Something happened to the internet. What the hell? Well, at least I'm recording on the phone, which has internet, but what the hell happened to my internet? It's like being glitchy. It's like, what the hell? It says that I'm connected, but like, over there, the signal's there. It just, maybe it's flipping glitching because Robinhood doesn't want me to claim some money. It's like, no, no more trades for you. You made enough. Like, it's not fair though. Oh, finally a change. Flipping Robinhood glitching out on me. It's like, what the hell, Robinhood? I be trading in the hood and you're like flipping screwing me. Like, what the hell? The hell, Robin Hood? Don't be screwing me. I'm flipping, putting green papers into you and you're like screwing me. I was like, what the hell? Oh, man. It's like it is what it is sometimes, but at least it started working again. It's froze there for a little bit. Let's see what happens if I change my buying power. Something went wrong. What the hell? Robin messing up again. It's like so annoying. Update borrowing limit. Maybe I should change that. Instead of $1, maybe I should change that to maybe 1,300. No, it's like Friday the 13th. That's not lucky. Maybe I should do remove borrowing limit. Remove the borrowing limit. Okay. That brought it up to 32,611. So I could buy some more of something with that. Now I just gotta see what to buy with that. Maybe the TSLL, maybe get like some of that. That might be good, but then like if it's like a dead cat bounce, like the TSLL's leverage is gonna go down like crazy. Might not be that smart. But anyways, right now in this crazy unpredictable market, I think I should set borrowing limit back to $1 because it's kind of stupid. I don't want to lose the borrowed money and then have to pay it back. Dude, that would be messed up. So. Change the buying power back to 13,000. I think it's just a little bit safer. That's what I think. Um, let's see. It's kind of everything's kind of interesting over here. That one's down a little bit. Hmm. Let's see what flipping silver is doing. Yeah, I think I'll start buying into silver a little bit. It's Friday the 13th. Can't do that. Probably lucky three. Lucky three should be good. Get some more of that. Could never go wrong with buying some gold and silver. I made a lot of profit selling some options and selling some shares in a profit. But right now, I'm gonna see what else I could lock in. It's a dead cat bounce. Market could be tanking like crazy for a little bit before it started going back up. So I gotta make sure if you get gold and silver, at least you're good with that, because that can't tank. And if the market tanks like crazy, gold and silver will go up. So you're kind of safe with that. Let's see what Lyft is doing here. Lyft. Oh, Lyft is up a little bit. That's good. Is that a Lyft? That's a buy call. Not that one. I think, is a different one. How about this one? This one's the one that's down a little bit. Let's see, SoFi. Okay, SoFi in general, it's going up a little bit, so that's good. Um, let's see. Gotta drink some coffee here. I'm thirsty. My Marvel coffee cup. Delicious. Yummy. Okay, let's see. What should I do here? SoFi bar. That one's down a little bit. Oh yeah, maybe I could do some what do you call it? Poor man's covered calls, because I don't have any poor man's covered calls at the moment. You can make some good money with that. So for example, I'll show you how to do a poor man's covered call. I have, let's see, for example, I'll do one on maybe SoFi. So because I got a long dated option here, I could go sell a call against it. Like I could go do this, SoFi Technologies. I could click on something like trade options. Maybe I'll do just for the heck of it, November 7th. Maybe do that one. So by November 7th, I can do sell call. So kind of like I did on the TSLL, but that one was like pretty much just a covered option, the wheel strategy that I'm running. But this one's like a enhanced wheel strategy, enhanced covered call. So you get more money with that, but it's just a tiny bit more risky. So let's see if it goes up to, let's see, if it goes up to like $30. We'll just say $30. If it goes up to $30, sell one contract. I want to get a higher premium, see if I'll get filled on that 1.50, 1.45, something in between. Medium likelihood, so yeah, I'll go with that one. So yeah, if this goes like doesn't go up that high, I just keep the money and I still keep my long leg for this SoFi deal. So I'll make $145 in like slightly less than a month, like just for this one contract. So that'll be better than nothing, I guess. Okay, done. So that's good. I got this one going. Sell call. So that's a right order to sell a contract executed. So that's a poor man's covered call. PMCC flipping executed. How awesome is that? It's pretty nice actually. Very, very nice. And like I barely didn't tap into the buying power because I sold that contract on the contracts that I already have. So might as well make some money on things I already got going, you know? Might as well. Two cells, that's the one that I just did for Tesla. That's like a covered option. That's in the money. I mean, just for the heck of it, I could go and I could buy it back and I'll automatically get the $2 that I made. But I don't know if that's worth it or not. But maybe just for the heck of it, I might. I don't know. I'll see. I'll just leave that be. Let's see. Let's see what Lyft is doing. This one I got a long time ago, but it went down quite a bit. I'll just let that one be, I guess. Hmm. Let's see, what else should I do here? Lift by. This one's down a little bit too. Oh yeah, I could also do a covered option on the lift because I got a whole bunch of lift buys. So just for the heck of it, let's see. Maybe I'll do sell a call on this one because this one's not that much down, which doesn't matter. But I could trade options. I could sell call. Maybe what the hell says? Oh wait, no, not that. Yeah, go that. Trade that. Go November 7th. Sell call. Okay, so I could sell a call for November 7th and see, do a couple of those probably. Let's see if it goes up to like, let's say $21, maybe $22. So if it goes up to like $22, I'll just do one on that one and change the price, maybe to try to get a higher premium, 0.80. So That's a medium likelihood, 8-1. Medium likelihood, let's see, 8-3. Still medium, 8-5. Low likelihood. So I'll just do 8-1. So if that's another poor man's covered call. So if it doesn't reach that price, that $22 price, I'll still keep that $80 I'll make within less than a month just on doing this contract. And I don't have to pay anything to do it because I already have the contract. So just might as well collect some free money while the dead cow's bouncing, collect some money while it's doing that. Might be kind of like better than nothing, I guess. Okay, still doing okay so far. Let's see what else. TSLL. That one's just bouncing around, doing its own thing. Gotta see what else I should try to plant to make some money. This one's doing its own thing. Let's see. Which one do I want to see? This one, see what that's doing. So that one's down a little bit. It's up for today, but it's down in general. Let's see, gold shares. Okay, right now, see, because I'm putting very little bit of money in it, and it's down a tiny bit from where I bought it. So buy, get some more of that, some more of the gold done. Oh, shit. Didn't mean to move this thing. I don't like, it's like moving around, bouncing around, and doesn't want to stay like in the middle. It's like stupid. It's like it doesn't make any sense. Gotta adjust it. 'Cause I'm just recording the screen of my iPad, and any little movement's kind of like stupid because it moves so much. So yeah, I made a little bit of money. So if I click 1 week, or in 1 week I collected sold at a profit. That's the amount, 1,427. And you can see all these trades. That's most of it is just green. There's obviously some red, but all of that is like profits I collected doing what I'm doing. All of this, like that's just collected profits just by, you know, doing the trades that I'm doing. Like options trading, day trading, swing trading, like a whole mix of everything and making a tiny bit of profits. Even while the market's flipping tanking, you're getting to the right stuff and dollar cost averaging and selling when it goes up, you make some profit, still get out ahead. Just gotta make sure you're doing it like with the right stocks, obviously, and at the right time and dollar cost average. It's like you gotta make sure you do that. Let's see what flipping Walmart's doing. Walmart, from the time I bought it, it went up a tiny bit, but like you see, I didn't buy much, like 20, $20. This is just to kind of help monitor it, just buying a little bit, dollar cost averaging up and averaging down a tiny bit. Let's see, DJT, yeah, it's already there. So that one's starting to go down a little bit. Just for the heck of it, I might buy like trade options. On this one, I might get like a small, flipping small buy put and see what happens with this one. Maybe get like uh, one thingy of this. Might be better than nothing. Buy put. Let's see, one at maybe lower price 0.65, 0.60, medium likelihood 0.55, low likelihood 0.60. I see 0.58, 57. Review. Maybe go with that one, see what happens. Edit, review. Okay, order has been placed. So I don't know if it'll fill or not. Orders placed. Let's see. Uh, okay, let's see. One, Cedric, why not put more into gold? Well, like, I I want to put more into gold, but right now it's kind of high, and I already made a lot of profit on it. So on the dollar cost average, the little bit that I'm adding into it right now is just to kind of dollar cost average and at the same time to monitor it, you know. But like, regardless, it's good. You can put all your money in it, you'll be safe. But I'm just trying to dollar cost average a little bit into gold. Like the other day, I bought a whole ton shit of it, and like I was dollar cost averaging like crazy, and then I sold it at a profit. But then I gotta start getting back into it again. But right now, right now it's way higher than when I got it. So, um, yeah. Regardless, it's a safe trade, but it's at the same time very high. But for example, get $7 worth of it right now won't hurt anything, you know. Gold and silver is just in general is gonna keep on going up. Like say like 1 year from now, it'll be like I don't know how much, but like maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 30% higher probably. I'm just guessing. For sure it's gonna be higher, but where exactly, not sure. Buy. Buy like $7 of silver. Oh man. Let's see. QUBT is up. Okay, if QUBT is up, see if I should get rid of it or not. So thanks. That was down. QUBT buy. That one's still down a little bit. Um, let's see. Let's see which other one I should buy. Maybe go to. Yeah, I made some orders, but they're waiting to. I'm doing like trying to do a DJT put, but I should probably adjust the price. Replace order to 0.60. Low likelihood. See what happens. Hopefully it fills. Yeah, I'm not sure if that will fill or not, but it's there. Let's see. What the hell is the TSLL is doing? In general, it's up. It's not bad. Maybe I'm guessing just for the heck of it, I could buy like buy some TSLL leveraged puts just to kind of hedge a little bit. Like I said, this thing might be like a dead cat bounce into protect some of the things that I got here. It might be a decent trade to do TSLL to puts like this one right here. Maybe trade options. Let's see, go to October 24th just in case. Maybe I could do a couple of these just for the heck of it. If it's gonna tank a tiny bit more, I'll be slightly protected. I got some shares and contracts into this. Let's see, maybe sell. I don't want to sell call. I want to buy put. That's what I want to do right now. Buy put on the TSLL, the Tesla leveraged. Okay, so 185 for that one, 165. So just in case to be on the safe side, maybe get, buy. You buy two of these, just change the price. Um, instead of two, maybe do one for now, just to kind of see what it does. One, and then that's just pretty much to hedge a tiny bit, like short-term hedging. Let's see, 1.80. Plug in the money, that's fine. 1.85, 1.83. Let's see if that fills. 84. Okay, we'll just do 83, 80, 82. Do 1.83. Okay, we'll do that. Maybe buy this one just to kind of slightly hedge some of the things that I got. Okay, limit order has been filled. So it looks like this has been filled. We'll see what it does, see where it goes. I don't want to do a selfie. Flipping Robin Hood wants me to do a selfie. What the hell? Dismiss. Okay, now this is the buy put that I did. It's in the money. Right now I could do sell at 1.87. Trade, sell, one at 1.87. That's just the one that I opened. Hopefully there's going to be a tiny bit of profit in that one. Done. I'm not sure if it'll fill or not. Guess we'll see what happens. Kind of. Hopefully it fills. That'd be nice. Let's see. That one's down a tiny bit. Let's see. Maybe I should get some. This one's Delta Airlines. Probably get rid of all of this. Trade. Wait, I don't want to do that. Trade. Sell. Sell all. Done. Okay. So I got rid of that one. Maybe just in case I could get a tiny bit more. DAL. I can't believe I didn't even add this to my top stocks to trade. That's what I gotta do. Okay, that's added. Okay, now I just gotta buy right now one more dollar because I made a few cents profit on it. I got a lucky number in between 13331. Awesome. I'll just get $1 worth just to kind of monitor and see what it's doing. If I see a dip in, I know to buy some more. DJT. Okay, I'm in this one right now. If it goes down a tiny bit more, I'll sell that at a profit. We'll see what happens. It's going down. Yeah, your order to sell contract. Okay, TSL executed. Awesome. Let's see. TSL output. Which one was that? Executed. Sell put. I don't think it's these here. TSL puts 20 lift. Let's see what happened here. So it looks like I made a tiny bit more profit because something's something was executed. Oh, this one, the TSL put, I sold that, so I made a little bit of profit on that one. Okay, interesting. Let's see. Right now, I'm trying to get that one executed. I'm not sure if it will. Buy to open. Buy to open. DJT. Oh yeah, I haven't. I still haven't bought that one yet. The two TSL cells. TSL call. So that one's in the profit, so I could get rid of that one. So this one here is pretty much like this one here is like pretty much a poor man's covered call. I'll probably get rid of that one. Probably sell it 1.18 trade. Yeah, trade. Let's see, call. TSL call two cells. So two cell calls trade by two. Buy it back for 1.25. See what that does. 1.20. Medium likelihood. 1.20. Yeah, I'll do this, I guess. Or maybe just for the heck of it, 1.23 and see what happens. If that executes, that'll be a tiny bit more profit. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, portfolio still doing okay. So we got some pending orders going. Gonna go back and check on the SoFi call. That one's down a little bit. SoFi is going down a tiny bit, which is still not that bad. And once SoFi goes down a lot more, I'll probably get some more of that. Lyft is a good one to get. Let's see, Lyft, I'm kind of down on it a little bit. Lyft sell call. That's like a performance stored call right there. But in general, the Lyft thingy is a pretty good stock. Like within like maybe a few months, this stock will be like $30, and then later it'll be more. But like if you get into it like at 19, if it goes down to like $16, $15, 14, it's even a better deal. That's gonna go up a lot. So I have quite a bit in that one. Um, so yeah, I'll probably once it goes down lower, I'll probably get some more of that one. Three talk buys. That one's at break even. Let's see, QUBT. Okay, that one's up today, but down a little bit in general. SoFi call buy. Okay, that one's down a little bit. Let's see, NVTS. That one's always doing pretty good. Oh, NVTS went up a lot like crazy. It's insane. Um, Come on. What's this doing here? Okay, that one's down a tiny bit. Maybe right now, just for the heck of it, I'll pick up, since I'm in here, some more silver, see what it's doing. So I don't have much in it, but I went up a tiny bit. Just for the heck of it, I'll get like $3, throw a lucky number three at it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing at the moment with gold. See what Uber's doing. Uber went up a little bit. Uber's a good trade. It's gonna go up like crazy soon. Gold. Okay, gold is up a tiny bit from where I bought it. I'll buy some more of that. Dollar cost average up. Throw a lucky number three at it. Make sure it keeps on growing. Done. Okay, that's executed. That's good. And then Walmart with tariff threats, like Walmart might be tanking because it's doing a lot of trades with China. But short term, it might go down. But long term, everybody still shops there. It'll do good. So I might wait for that one to go down tiny bit more before I get a whole bunch of this one. But this one, Walmart, it's a boring stock, but you can make a whole ton of money with it. If it like goes down to like $95, $94, dude, you could put all your money in that one, and then within a few months it goes up, and then you could like depends if you're doing options, you could like multiple X your money. If you're doing just normal shares, it'll go up quite a bit. Yeah, Walmart's a good one. Right now, I'm just waiting for that one to go down a little bit more to get in a whole lot more of that. But right now, just to kind of monitor it better and dollar cost average, getting a tiny, tiny bit of that one. Let's see what the EFT went up and then went back down again. I'll probably still have to wait on that one. Okay, so portfolio still doing okay. Roth IRA is up. This one's up, so everything's still doing okay. So I got these pending orders going there. Hopefully they fail. If not, then whatever. Let's see. I'll go back to SoFi. See what SoFi is doing. 26.66. So yeah, it went up today. I sold some of it when it was up. I might maybe start dollar cost averaging into this one again. Let's see, buy seven. Throw a lucky number seven at it. You know, when you throw lucky numbers at a stock, especially at a good stock, and you get a whole bunch back. So long term. So yeah, it's a good thing to do. It's a lucky number right there, 4111. Multiple ones is I think it's like kind of a lucky number, I guess. But like and let's see, Lyft. Lyft is a good one. Like I said, is gonna go up like crazy long term. I sold out like at some profit today. I'll just let these contracts that I have do what it do. Let's see, open. This one's like kind of like a risky one. I'm in some of it, but I'll just let that thing do its thing. Let's see. Maybe. Let's see what this one's doing. This one's down a tiny bit. Let's see. This one's down a little bit. Maybe I'll get some more. Let's see what Uber's doing. Uber's down a tiny bit. Let's see, gold. Get some more gold. Dollar cost average into some gold. Lucky number seven at it. See what it does. Okay, then go to silver. Get some more silver. Yeah, the things are still going up a little bit. Throw a lucky number seven at the silver. You know, make sure that pays. You know, like you gotta claim your jackpot. You know, like pot of gold, pot of silver. You know, if you don't do that, somebody else will. You know, right here I'm claiming it. You know, might as well because silver and gold in like a year is gonna be like at least like 10-20% higher than where it's at right now. Obviously, it's gonna bounce around. It's gonna go down a little bit. It's gonna go up, but long term, it's gonna be like 10-20% up, like from my predictions at least. But you know, it's still like better than nothing. You know, claim your jackpot. Your jackpot will grow. You'll sell a bigger jackpot when you're ready. So you know, that's kind of like what I'm doing. Still got like yeah, I opened up quite a bit of buying power. Like this morning, like I had like 6,000 some plus buying power. Right now it's because I sold a whole bunch of stuff at a profit, so I got 13,233. So got a little bit more to play with here. So that's a good thing, I guess. But like I said before, Walmart. Walmart is a good one, but I'm waiting for that one to go down a tiny bit more. Once this one goes a tiny bit more down, uh, I'm waiting for it to reach like 95. It reaches like 95, $94, putting all my money in like contracts, like buying calls like crazy. And is it gonna go up to like way over $100 again and make a lot of money with that. It's a boring stock, but I made lots of money. I made thousands just on Walmart itself. Right now, I'm just kind of dollar cost averaging literally because sometimes I'm putting a dollar in at a time because I know it's going to go a little bit lower. It's not a loss if I buy it right now at small prices. It's just kind of to help monitor it, to help see where it goes. Um, anyways, I think I'm done trading for right now because I gotta go. I gotta go flip and work. I gotta run errands and I gotta go do some work. So I'll have to trade offline. Because I have my company to run, so I gotta go. Bye, guys. See you later.